Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Vikram.
Good evening, yes.
Good evening, Anya. Hmm. Right. I got your homework, Anya.
Yes, miss.
Which all starting questions, I think starting wale questions were all correct. In the later on, there were
Yes,
some wrong questions, you know. So which were
yes,
the
miss.
questions?
Yes, they were like in exercise 1.2, fifth and sixth, I guess.
ये proof करने वाला associative property वाला.
Yes, miss. Prove one. Miss, even in the sixth one, the second, fourth, and sixth, my page had tore, so like I couldn't do it. So if can you please discuss it?
Mm-hmm. Which one? Second and second question is
The second, fourth, and
first
sixth.
is all correct.
Like, yeah, no, like the second, sorry, the sixth question and the second part, fourth part, and sixth part.
I think actually the question numbers, the sequence is different in your book.
Okay.
This 11 upon 5 wala question,
Mm.
I think it's a little different. 4 upon 9. Hmm, 3 upon
Miss,
5.
I should send the question.
Yeah, I do have just a minute. 3 upon 9. These are all correct. Otherwise, minus 2 upon 7. Then this is 4 plus 4 minus 7 and all. These are all correct. Then x is equals to 1 upon 2, y is equals to 2 upon 3, z is equals to minus 1 upon 5. These were the verification of associative property. This is also correct, I guess.
Okay.
Second part is incorrect, where x is equals to minus 2 upon 5, y is equals to 4 upon 3, and z is equals to 7 upon 10.
Hmm.
Okay. Let's do it once. X is equals to minus 2 upon 5, y is equals to 4 upon 3, and z is equals to minus 7 upon 10.
Yes.
Shall I tell you the mistake over here? This 15, this comes out to be
Yes.
minus 6 plus 20. So this is 14 upon 15 and minus 7 upon 10. You have taken 30 as the LCM, correct? 14, 28 minus 21, 7 upon 30. This is correct. Then come to the right hand side portion. This is minus 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 3 and minus 7 upon 10. 30. 40 minus C. Here in the right hand side, Anya, you have your book in front of you.
Yes.
So
Yes,
what you
miss.
have done is minus 2 upon 5 plus when you have taken the LCM of 4 upon 3 and minus 7 upon 10, it is 30, all correct. Then 30 divided by 3, it will be 10. 10 multiplied by 4, it will become 40 with a minus sign. Then 10, when divided 30 by 10, we get 3. So 7 will be multiplied by 3. You have multiplied by 2.
Yes.
Got it?
Oh.
You have written minus 14 over here.
Okay.
It should be minus 21 over there.
Yes, miss.
So,
It is just a silly mistake.
yes, it is such a silly mistake. So it will be 19 upon 30. Now,
Okay.
let's take the LCM again, 30. So this will be minus 2 into 6, 12 plus 19. Comes out to be 7 upon 30, which is equal to LHS.
Yes, miss.
Then this third question is all correct or it is a doubt?
Miss, the third question is also doubt.
110, 44, 15, 39, 29, minus 7 upon 11. Up till this place, this is all correct. जहाँ तक इस पेज पे दिख रहा है. We have
Okay.
reached up to a point. ये वाला जो है ना 57 upon 55 minus 3 upon 22 is equals to minus 7 upon
Yes.
10 plus 29 upon 110. Then 110, 114. See, when okay, when we take 110 as the LCM here, Anya, tell me,
Yes.
this is
It is
55.
in the right hand side.
No, left hand side. When we divide 110
Okay.
by 55, we get a 2. So you multiply 57
Yes.
by 2. But what about the second part? When you divide 110 by 22, what did you get?
110 by 22. I got. Miss, let me check.
This is 15. You get 5. So you multiply 3 by 5, 15.
Yeah, I got 15. Minus 15.
Minus 15. ठीक है? So 114 minus 15. You get 99 upon 110.
Yes, miss.
And here, if we take 110 as LCM, so we'll get a 10 over here. So minus ka 70.
Yes,
That's
miss.
29. Some mistake is there.
Yes, miss. I'm
Let
thinking
me-
the same.
See, you left a minus sign there in the second step. Second step, left hand side, you took LCM 55.
Okay.
So this was minus
Yes.
7. Na? So the minus 7 should be multiplied by 5, getting minus 35 as the result. So minus 35 plus
Okay.
22, resulting in minus 13 over here. This 57 should have been minus 13.
Okay. Okay.
So minus 13 into 2,
Got
it will be minus 26 and minus 15 upon 110. This will result in minus 41 upon 110. And similarly, in the right hand side, now this is minus 41 upon 110. This is equal now.
Yes, miss. Okay. Only the right hand side I did wrong.
Right hand side, you missed a negative sign. See, minus 70 plus 29. This should be minus ka 41. ठीक है ना? Fourth is verified, I suppose. This is 9 plus minus 20 minus 15 minus 13. Fourth one is already verified. Third is all correct.
Yes,
Fourth is all
yes.
correct. Then
Miss third and fourth are correct. Then after that, fifth one, first part, I
Yes.
think it is wrong.
right. Okay, fine. We do this questions over here now.
Okay.
Two upon 5 plus 7 upon 3 plus minus 4 upon 5 plus minus 1 upon 3. Anushka, do it.
ma'am.
Question.
Yes, ma'am. मैम आंसर आ गया.
Answer आ गया? Okay.
हाँ मैम.
We'll make 2 upon 5 a grouping of and plus bring this minus 4 upon 5 over here. Then plus 7 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 3 kept together. So grouping these two together and these two together, right? What will we get in the first bracket? It is 5 is the LCM, then
Minus 2/5.
and plus
मैम मेरा भी आ गया.
आपका आ गया 7 minus 1. So what will we get over here? This is minus 2 upon 5 and plus 6 upon 3. Directly take the LCM. This is 15. So
मैम but 6/3 कटेगा नहीं क्या?
हाँ कट जाएगा, but even if we don't cut it, then also ultimately we have to take the LCM, है ना? So when 5 will divide 15 by 5, we'll get 3. So minus 2 multiplied by 3, it is minus 6. When we divide 15 by 3, we get 5. So 6 multiplied by 5 is 30, making it equal to 24 upon 15. 24 upon 15 is the answer. Anya, are you getting it?
मैम वो कैंसिल आउट होगा.
हाँ, वो cancel.
अन्य क्लास में नहीं है.
Anya class
हाँ
में
मैम. नहीं मैम वो नहीं है. वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई है.
3 ही पार्टिसिपेंट्स है.
आ जाएगी.
उसमें से
मेरा
एक तो
सही
host
है.
इसको
पर वो तो
reduce करो.
कटेगा.
इसको रिड्यूस करो फर्दर.
मैम 8/5.
हाँ मैम 8/5.
आंसर आ जाएगा 8/5.
हाँ मैम.
अनुष्का, होमवर्क क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं हम?
मैम कल कर लूंगी पक्का.
या थोड़ा थोड़ा करो, सारा नहीं तो थोड़ा थोड़ा करो, ठीक है ना?
मैम कौन सा होमवर्क?
रैशनल नंबर वाला.
नंबर्स के.
अच्छा मुझे लगा अपने फैक्टराइजेशन वाला.
नहीं नहीं वो नहीं है.
अनुष्का आज की क्लास देख ली?
कौन सी? तीनों. हाँ देख ली.
हाँ.
तुमने?
नहीं अभी बची है.
हिंदी में तो मैं बोर हो गई.
हिंदी तू लिख रही है? हिंदी के नोट्स बनाती है क्या?
नहीं नहीं, सारा तो 7th क्लास के हिंदी की बुक में लिखा है, तो क्यों बनाओ मैं फालतू में।
वही मैं अभी बस सुन लेती हूँ।
नहीं बनाती, वैसे भी उसका एग्जाम भी नहीं होता।
भाषा।
ये आन्या
नेटवर्क वीक होगा।
हाँ मैम, यही हो सकता है।
ओ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिख दिया आपने।
हम्म,
अब दिमाग चला।
करो, तुम लोग करते रहो, आ जाएगी वैसे।
हाँ हाँ।
मैम आंसर आ गया।
आंसर आ गया?
हाँ
यस
मैम।
आन्या, कैन
Auntie,
यू?
actually my internet connection was bad, so I was not able to this thing
कोई बात
to
नहीं, it's
understand
okay.
what you were saying.
I got this. See, this was the question, and what mistake did you make over here? This is minus 2 upon 5 plus 6 upon 3. I think you watched it till here. है ना? When we'll take an
Yeah.
LCM 15, so dividing 15 by 5 will get 3. So minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus 6. What you have done in your solution, you have made some 14 over here. I don't know.
Hmm.
है ना? So how
Yes,
come
miss.
this 14 came?
Hmm.
4 you have written probably. I know.
14, 14.
14 it is. Okay. And this
Yes.
is 30. This is okay. When 15 divided by 3, we'll get 5 as result. 5 multiplied by 6, this is 30. So this was the problem. When we minus 6 plus 30 will be resulting in plus ka 24. 24 upon 15 is further reducible, dividing by 3.
Yes.
So this will become 8 and this will become 5. Fine. Do the next one. Do the next one. तुम दोनों का रिजल्ट आ गया? अनुष्का एंड दिव्यांका, you got the result?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, let Anya also complete it. She was not there. See, Anya, second is you're correct. What is the answer you are getting, Anushka and Divyanka?
Ma'am, minus 17 upon 21.
Same.
See, Anya, your answer is also correct. This is minus 51 upon 63. Only thing is,
Hmm.
you didn't reduce it.
Oh.
See, this is divisible by 3. What is the checking condition of divisibility by 3? If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then the number will also be divisible by 3. This is 51.
Okay.
5 plus 1, 6. So it is divisible by 3. Similarly, this is 6
Yeah.
plus 3, 9. This is divisible by 3. So divided by 3. When we'll divide by 3, but एक बार जाएगा 5 में, leaving 2 behind, 2 and 1, 7, 17. And here it will be 21. So it is all correct.
Yes. Okay.
Then next is 2 upon 5 plus 8 upon
4
3
by 5.
Plus minus 11 upon 15 plus 4 upon 5 plus minus 2 upon 3. seems to be correct. This is correct, Anya.
Miss, which one? Third
This-
one.
हाँ
It's
ये
I
taken
got 37 by 15.
yes.
Correct.
Anushka and Divyanka, you got the answer?
8 minutes.
Ma'am, same 8 minutes.
हाँ आ गया.
What is that?
किसका पूछो? थर्ड का ना? एक सेकंड. हाँ मैम 37 by 15.
This is correct,
हाँ,
Anya?
Same.
हाँ जी, मेरे को भी यही आया. Means, but like solutions में R.D. Sharma में गलत, like it's like giving a different answer. I think I have to reduce it.
No, it is not further reducible.
Yeah, actually, it will not go with 3, not 2.
In my book, it is 37 by 15 only. If it is not incorrect there, just make a correction in your answer key of R.D. Sharma.
Okay, good. Okay. Yes, I did it.
Did it?
Yes.
81 minus 870. Fourth question you have done incorrect. Redo it over here. See, 0 is 0. You can always skip that because adding 0 to anything is not going to make any difference. So what we can do instead, we can take these two things together and then finally we can take an LCM.
Okay.
मामा आ गया. बता दूं?
हाँ बताओ.
-188 by 63.
Minus 188 upon 63. Okay, let others also calculate. I think there is something incorrect. Just check.
हम 86 आएगा, माइनस का 86. हम नेक्स्ट का भी आ गया.
Just wait. Let the others also complete with the given two questions. Yes, any issues?
No, miss, I'm doing the second one.
What is the answer of first? I mean the fourth part, ye wala, upar wala.
Okay, miss. It is minus 34 by 21.
Minus 34 by 21. Oh, doesn't seem to be correct. Anushka, तुम्हारा क्या आ रहा है?
एक सेकेंड. मैम मेरा तो अलग आ रहा है. 19/63.
3 students and 3 different answers. Good.
मैम मेरा वाला करेक्ट तो कर दो.
तुम्हारा दूसरा क्या आ रहा था?
1 मिनट मैम, फिर से करना पड़ेगा.
Minus 86/63.
हाँ, -86.
Miss, correct है. She's correct.
Yes. Okay, let's take it out first, this fourth question, then proceed with the second one. 4/7 combined with minus 13/7, right? Plus 0, we can always skip it. We'll skip it in the next term, the next step. Then we have minus 8/9 and plus 17/21. All right. Taking LCM over here, we'll get 4 minus 13 plus minus 8/9 plus 17/21. Fine. This will become minus 9/7. We omitted this 0 because this is of no use, right? So minus 9/7, minus 8/9 and plus 17/21. What we can do? Let's put these two things together. You know, taking LCM will be easier. Minus 9/7 plus 17/21 and minus 8/9. So taking these two together first, 21 and 7, LCM will be 21. Okay? So let's divide 21 by 7, we'll get 3. So minus 9 multiplied by 3 is 27 plus 17 and then minus 8/9. So it will be minus 10/21 and then minus 8/9. 21 9 ja. What is that? Take LCM of 21 and 9 because 3 is a common factor. So let's divide it by 3. We'll get 7 here and 3 here. So 3 3 ja 9, 7 ja 63. 63 will be the LCM. So taking 63 as the LCM, let's divide 63 by 21. We'll get 3. So multiply minus 10 by 3, minus 30. Then minus 9 will prevail. Dividing 63 by 9, we'll get 7 as the result. 8 into 7 is how much? 56. So we'll get minus 86/63. Just check out in which step where you have made a mistake.
मैम नेक्स्ट का आंसर बता सकते हैं?
अभी रुको, वेट करो, पहले इस क्वेश्चन को ओवर जाने दो. अनुष्का, check. Where is the mistake? Anya, you also check in which step you have made the mistake.
Yes, miss. Miss, like in the second step, what I had done, I had not like, you know, like how you I should, what do you call it? I should take minus 9 by 7. I didn't do that. So my answer was not correct. And also, I had taken this thing. I had not done correctly in the sense like the LCM. I had not taken it correct.
Hmm.
I think.
Chalo. Okay. Be careful. Anushka, what about you?
मैम मैंने ना प्लस माइनस में गलत कर दिया था.
Hmm. Not supposed to do that. Gadbad.
ये मैम.
Okay. Continue with the next question. It's not visible.
Can I tell the answer now?
क्या आ रहा है बताओ?
Minus 109 by
Minus 109 by
6.
No. No, Divyanka.
मैम मेरा अलग आ रहा है.
हाँ.
मैम -141/12.
Minus
141/12.
ये भी इनकरेक्ट है. ये सच सही है. ये सही है. Minus 141/12 is correct. Divyanka, you check where you had made the mistake.
Miss, my one is also coming wrong. It is 133 by 12.
No, some mistake of minus sign.
Yes, miss.
Recheck.
No, sorry, minus 133. Sorry, minus 100. Yeah, 133 by 12.
Shall I rub this?
Yes,
I'm rubbing the solution of the previous question. I think you must have noted
Yes,
by
ma'am.
and
Yes,
corrected yours.
yes मैम.
See, taking two things together, this becomes 11/2 and minus 25/2, right? You've done it like this. Then plus 11/12 and this becomes minus 17/3. So taking LCM 2, it will become 11 minus 25, right? Then let's take the LCM of these two. We'll get the LCM 12. So 12 divided by 12 will be getting 1. Multiplying by 11, it is 11. Minus 12 divided by 3 is 4. So multiplying 17 by 4 is? Multiplying 17 by 4. 17 2 ja 34. And 34 2
मैम
ja
68.
Yes, miss. 60.
That is correct. Now
Yes.
what? 11 minus 25 is minus 14/2. And this is minus ka 57/12. Right? Now 12 is the LCM. Divide 12 by 2, 6. Multiplying 14 by 6 is minus 84. And 57 will remain as such. So this is 7 and 4, 1, 11. Taking 1 as the carry, 6 and 8, 14. Minus ka 141/12. Divyanka, where is the mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
And Anya?
Miss, my own is calculation mistake. Otherwise, everything is
Everything
like
is fine,
correct.
huh? Taking LCM and
Yes,
multiplying is all correct.
yes,
Chalo.
Miss. Like 68, everything is correct. Miss,
Okay.
but I had cut minus 14 by 2, and then
Huh, that's all correct.
I
We can do it like this, minus 7, it will become, and then minus 57 upon 12. Taking 12 as LCM, will multiply. See, यहाँ पे we were multiplying 14 by 6.
yes,
Here we'll multiply 7 by 12, it is one and the same thing.
okay,
Took out 2 from here in this 14. 14 को भी factorized and written it 7 into 2 and into 6. So we combine 2 and 6, it will become 12 into 7. This is one and the same thing. Not at all making any difference.
yes, Miss.
Minus 7 into 12 will also be minus 84. And then minus
Okay.
57 upon 12. Answer will be still minus 141 upon 12.
It was just calculation mistake.
Yes.
मैम मीटिंग 3 मिनट में खत्म हो जाए.
हाँ. Divyanka, where was your mistake?
मैम मैंने कुछ और तरीके से किया है, मिस्टेक नहीं.
Just send a screenshot to me. I'll just check and will let you know. Here the preferable way is to combine those who have got similar denominators so that some of the calculations are reduced.
Yes, Miss.
You know?
Yes.
So do it. The session may get over in between. If it does, come back again immediately. You know?
Okay, Miss, the same meeting ID and password.
Yes, every time the same meeting item.
Okay.
मैम आंसर आ गया है लेकिन मुझे गलत लग रहा है.
What is that?
मैम -539 अपॉन 126.
Yes, it is incorrect. Redo, recheck.
मैम ये आपने माइनस के फ्रैक्शन लिख रखे हैं, तो ये अगर प्लस माइनस के साथ आएंगे तो माइनस का हो जाएगा ना साइन सारे.
Yes, minus will prevail. True. The session is getting over. You just reconnect, है ना?